guys, welcome back to Barker-Stargazer's YouTube channel, where we mainly focus on crochet, but we do occasionally do other crafts, and today we're going to be merging crochet with other crafts because I have got these old jeans that are seriously, where's that hole gone? There it is, falling apart. Now, in the late 90s, early noughties, when I was a teenager, I loved all my jeans that were all like painted on and flared out and embroidered. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be changing these rather simple jeans into a pair of jeans worthy of my 18-year-old self. So I've decided to base my design on a peacock. I'm going to create a split on the outside of each leg and create a crochet insert. This insert will be a peacock's tail feathers, as I'm gonna paint a peacock above the insert on one side of the leg. I'm not too sure about what I'm doing with the other side as yet. I'm just gonna focus on this main first leg first and see where we go from there. I'm translating my sketch to the trousers using this method. You put pastel on the reverse of your image and re-sketch the image again. I see this done online all the time and it's just never this messy. Yeah, I think I might be using the wrong type of pastel. Right, onto my painting. First, the main peacock blue. I've mixed Arteza fabric paints A502, A501 and A707 for this. The green feather colour was a mixture of A603, A705 and A501. And then it's just a bit of grey for the beak, bit of white around the blacks of the eyes, and finishing off with the head feather details, which were in gold. And then I used Arteza's fabric pens just to outline. Right, let's actually get to the crochet. Let's get the hooks and the yarn out. I'm going to crochet several peacock feather eyes. Each round is a different colour, and after I've finished this one, I wasn't 100% sure on the colour combinations, or rather the colour orders. So I made two more alternatives and had the family vote because I just couldn't decide. They picked this one, and then I made another 20 and connected them together in a triangle. This triangle is then what has been inserted, or will be inserted at this point in the video, into the jean leg. Right, for the other leg, I had reached a decision by this point. So what I did is I created the peacock feather eye again, but I quadrupled the yarn, used a 10mm hook. Previously I'd been using a 5mm hook. I used the exact same pattern to create one large peacock feather, like I said, and then I did a few more rounds to extend it to the size that I needed. I decided not to do any paintwork on the other side of the leg. So all it was matching this single peacock feather to the size of the peacock feathers on the first leg, which I'm now going to call the main leg. So we are at this point here with the jeans. Now I've tried these on and I feel that the flare out is a bit too flary, so I'm going to reposition the pins a little closer in, and then I'm going to be getting the sewing machine out. Originally, when I had this idea in my head, I was going to make sure the jeans parts were all washed, all done first, and then I was going to add the crochet to it. but I am currently on a bit of a time crunch and I will show you why. So these are my craft supplies. All of this here. There's a big box there on the floor. And I need to start packing because we have sold our house and I have packed nothing. So if I can get these jeans out of the way, I can actually pack a lot of this. I can pack the sewing machine up. There's a box here with all of the sewing machine fabric and threads and everything. This box down here as well contains a few unfinished sewing projects. It also means that I can store the fabric paints away. And I think there are also some paper craft bits at the bottom that I can pack as well. But I just haven't touched any of it because I knew I wanted to get this project done, and I knew it was going to take so many different elements of what I had around me. So yeah, so hopefully a few more videos from now, we will be designing a new workspace actually dedicated so I can use it. I would love to say that that's been the whole reason for this move, is just to spoil me and give me my own workspace, but it isn't. It's actually because we have a 3-bedroom house with 3 children, and well, everyone deserves their own room. Oh goody, my favourite part, getting the sewing machine out so I can sew these 2 triangles into the trousers. You wanna know how long it took me to get these 2 in? An hour and a bloody half. You know what, I am not gonna miss packing this sewing machine away for a couple of months. Honestly, just get in a box. Right, so the trousers are all finished, as you can see me modelling them here. Now, this side, which I, did I quadruple the yarn? That was right. This isn't hanging particularly well, but let's say though, it's still very pretty on the unpainted leg. And the painted leg though has worked exactly as I thought it would. Absolutely beautiful. So these now need to go into the wash. I've already ironed the paintwork on the back to hopefully seal it in. Should be sealed in. And yeah, I'm gonna wear these trousers until they completely fall apart. Right, now I have got to start packing. Yay!